So can we start? Okay. So this question is been asked in UPSC CSAT paper 2 in 2011. Okay. So what is the question? A contract on construction job, a contract on construction job specify a penalty for delay in completion of the work beyond certain date is as follows. Okay. 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day and 300 for the third day and so on. The penalty for each succeeding days being 50 rupees more than the preceding day. How much penalty should the contractor pay if he delays the work by 10 days? ठीक है, तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है और वो किसी वर्क को लिया हुआ है और इसमें कंडीशन दिया हुआ है कि इफ़ ही डिलेज द वर्क बाय वन डे, फर्स्ट डे he will have to pay 200 as a penalty, next day he will have to pay 250 rupees penalty and third day he will have to pay 300 rupees as a penalty. Okay, it means first day how much penalty he is have to pay? First day 200. Okay, now second day 250 and third day 300 and so on. Okay, then here you can see that penalty is increasing for each succeeding days. Penalty is increasing for each succeeding day by 50 rupees. 50 rupees this, 50 rupees this. Okay, so this how can we find total penalty if he delays the work by 10 days? ठीक है, this question is basically based on the concept of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression in Hindi is called समांतर श्रेणी. Okay, so first of all we will learn the concept of arithmetic progression, then we will come back on this question. Okay, so what is arithmetic progression? Suppose this is a series. This is series. What kind of series? Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. इसको simply बोलते हैं AP. When a series is in arithmetic progression, suppose this is a term, okay, first term, and this is a plus d, second term, and this is a plus 2d, third term, and this is a plus 3d, fourth term, and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the last term. This is a series which in arithmetic progression. What is the condition here? You can then see this is first term, and this is second term, okay, and this is third term. Okay, now what is the common difference? What is common difference here? Common difference is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. Okay, then what is second term? A plus d minus first term a, it will be d. Okay, now again we will check common difference from the next term. Third term minus second term. Here common difference will be third term is a plus 2d minus a plus d. Okay, then a plus 2d minus a and minus d. Then this will be cancel out, minus a plus a and 2d minus d is equal to d. So you can see here also common difference is d, and here also common difference is d. So any series having same common difference, will be in arithmetic progression. Like for example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is a series and the common difference here is 2, 2 and 2. Then we can say that this series in arithmetic progression. Okay, suppose there are only 4 terms is given, and if you have to find out 10th term, what will be 10th term? Yeah, you can say nth term. Okay, then there are only 4 terms given here and you have to find out what will be the 10th term, 10वां पद क्या होगा. Then for that we must know what will be the nth term. So for nth term Tn is equal to what is a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, where d is common difference, and a is first term, okay. Or n, what is n here? Number of terms. Number of terms means, suppose here we have to find out 10th term. So here value of n will be 10. Okay. So what will be the 10th term? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And we have to find out T10, value of T10. So what we know, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, clear hai? Are you getting me? A plus n minus 1 into d, clear? Okay, so here a is the first term, then value of first term will be 2, then 2 plus, and what will be the value of n? Here n will be 10. So 10 minus 1 into, what is common difference? Common difference is 2. So multiplied by 2, then will be 2 plus 9 into 2, then this will be 9 into 2, 18 plus 2, 20. So 10th term will be 20. This is the trick to find out nth term. But what in this case, series is suppose we are taking new series like 2, 5 or 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. This is also a series. Is this series in arithmetic progression? क्या यह arithmetic progression में है? Yes. Why? Because here also common difference is same. So we can conclude that this series in arithmetic progression. So suppose here only 5 terms is given, and if I ask you what will be sum of these 5 terms, then you can easily sum these terms, these numbers, and tell me that sum of these 5 terms will be this. But if I ask you what will be the sum of 10 terms of this series, then how do you find? It will be very difficult because only 5 terms are given. Okay, so sum of nth term of arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the trick of sum of the series being arithmetic. ठीक है, अर्थमेटिक सीरीज का सम का जो ट्रिक है वो ये है. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, यू हैव टू memorize this trick. Okay, now suppose we have to find out sum of 10 term, means yes 10 की वैल्यू हमें बतानी है, sum of 10 terms क्या होगा. So here yes 10 will be what, here value of n will be what, 10, because we have to find out sum of 10 terms. So here value of n will be 10. So 10 by 2. And what is the first term? First term is 3. First term is 3 and value of d will be 2 because common difference is 2. So either 2 into a 3 plus n minus 1 10 minus 1 into d, common difference is 2. Okay, then here you will get 5 6 plus 18, 6 plus 18. Okay, now 5 into 24, and if you multiply 24 into 5 you will get 120. So sum of these numbers will be, sum of these 10 terms will be 120. On the basis of this concept the question has been given. Okay, so how can we approach this question? This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Okay, and up to what term? 10 term, 10 terms. So if we have to find out the total penalty, how much penalty should the contractor pay if he delays the work by 10 days. Okay, so here total number of term will be 10. So total number of term will be 10. It means we will get here value of n is 10. Okay, value of n will be 10. Okay, value of n will be 10. So here common difference d will be 50 and n will be 10, and first term a will be what, 200. First term a will be 200. So sum, what will be the sum? What will be the sum? Sn or S10 is equal to, what is trick here? N by 2. N by 2 means 10 by 2. And 2a means 2 into a 200 plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into d. D means 50 into 50. Okay, so here we will get 5 into 400 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 50 450. So overall we will get 5 into 850, and if we multiply it we will get 500, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 0, 5 500, 5 5s are 25, and 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, then 42 rupees. So our answer will be or shall be option option B. Option B, 4250. So answer B will be the right. Okay.